Thank you all that have been enjoying the tank. They have been so much fun settling into the tank, and I am excited because now they're moving around, they're out and about. In the beginning, they weren't really moving much. It's funny because when the lights are on, they kind of go hide, and then when the lights are off, they'll be more active, which is, I'm not really sure if they're not really enjoying the lights or. But these types of fish are supposed to be having, I think, at least 12 hours of lights, I believe. Look at my catfish. Look at him go. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. They are so much fun. If you just watch them, they are hysterical. So because they haven't really been active, I haven't really been able to show you. So now I can show you a little bit of how active they are being. I think it's just so funny when the lights are on. They really don't like to be active. And when the lights are off, they're out and about and you see them moving around when the lights are off. So sometimes, we'll shut the lights off because if it bothers them, I don't want to bother them, but they do need a certain amount of light. I just want you to admire how beautiful this catfish is. He looks big on screen, but he's actually not that big. This is a not so big. I forgot a couple gallons this tank is. It's not big at all. But yeah, I think they're doing really, really good. They actually crack me up sometimes because they just look that they get in, they look like they have like these, I don't know, spurts of energy and they'll zoom, zoom, zoom all over the tank and it's hilarious. I think one time the catfish looked like he was gonna actually jump out and he can't really jump out, but he looked like he was going to try to. He just shot up out of the water. How cool is this right here? It's just a reflection of him, but I just thought that this was a really cool shot. I actually don't know if the catfish is a boy or a girl. I'm trying to get this for you on camera because it is very rare when they are out and about. Over here in the corner, I had to get them because this is where they like to hang out. And I was trying to see what they were up to. And they're over here trying to hide. Look at them. Look at them trying to hide. Look at them. They're trying to hide. I think that the tank is beautiful. It's small but beautiful. And it fits right in my living room perfectly. And the cool thing about fish tanks is that you can always change them up, take fish out, add new fish. I just love seeing life in a tank. I'm a Pisces, so I love anything aquatic. I love anything on beach, water, anything. So, yeah, I'm enjoying this little tank. Maybe sometime we'll get a bigger one. Yeah, I'm just organizing some more nail art, guys. I'm just gonna rearrange this box. I forgot that most of the nail art was still in these little baggies. So I'm gonna take all of the nail art or all of the crystals. I'm going to take them out of the baggies and I'm going to put them in where they go. And then there are some like gold embellishments that I think I might put in another case. And you'll see that in just a few minutes. Okay, so these are the gold embellishments that I was talking about. I just put them in here just so that I could have all of them together and not scattered, or not scattered, but in two different boxes. I'd rather them all together in one box. I do like separate individual boxes. I do think that when you are doing a set or you're working on somebody, a smaller box is easier to work out of. But I do think that I want to get more acrylic organizers that you see on the screen. Not the box, but the ones that are housing all of my nail art. I think I want to get at least 2 more of those, so I'm going to be on a search for those. Let me know down below, what is your favorite rhinestone glue, or what, in your opinion, what do you think is the best rhinestone glue? Because I have tried out so many. I still have yet to use my Macar rhinestone glue, but I'm going to take it out. I'm going to, put it to work. I've heard, pros and cons about it, and I want to try it out for myself and see how it works. So I'm going to be doing that. So I will be working on some more press-on sets. I am just creating for now, letting my creative juices flow, see what I come up with, and it's been a lot of fun. So I'm going to continue to keep going and come up with different sets, and maybe someday I'll have an Etsy shop. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. I am super into magnetic sets right now, so I definitely think that I'm going to be creating more magnetic sets. I'm just going to show you a few sets that I've created, not all of them, some of them so far, and you let me know what you think. And if you enjoy them, maybe I'll show you the rest of them, and then maybe we will do a press-on set together. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know what you think down below. Hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell and make sure to click the word all so you can be notified of all of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by.